what secular Jewishness means to me. Okay. It's very interesting. I had never heard the word secular or used it until my kids were, until I was married and taught in one of the kinderschules out here, and somebody said something about secular. And I said, what is secular? And I looked it up in the dictionary to know what it was. Oh, weltlich. It's the way we spoke about it in Yiddish, weltlich. It's worldly. It's of this world. It was, for me, it included a lot of things. It included dealing with the reality, the here and now, the impact of the historical factors on where I am today. It is certainly Doigkeit, meaning here, where I am now. So it rules out, for example, Zionism as a category for me, simply because, not that I have anything against Zionists, but if I am living in the United States and this is my country and this is where I intend to live, then Israel is not where I am. It is not part of my life. I could support it. I could say nice things about it or say bad things about it, but my secularism includes only where I am now. So it's, for me, it includes a non-religious, material world. It excludes what generally is called spirituality, but then that's more my take on it, and that's part of my secularism, so that it includes both the cultural and the personal aspects. It's a very broad concept, broad in the sense that it's an all-inclusive. It includes lifestyle, it includes values, and it includes whether it's child-rearing practices and so on.